Hudson's Toy Adventure! We are going to do this with your mum.
Yeah, Hot Wheels! Right, well, go. Is it the Hot Wheels tournament?
No, it's the Ooh.
It's the Woo tournament.
Look, I have 3 F1 cars in here: a McLaren, a Racing Bull, and a Williams.
Did he do that? Here you got, Jam. The track! Doing track maintenance already, we just started.
And guess what the McLaren's racing?
What?
A skateboard.
Sprinkler.
Oh, okay. 2v2.
Sprinklesaurus.
Alright, let's go Gem first, yeah?
Yeah.
You place the balloon. Whoever's not racing places the balloon. Let's go. It's going to go down the track.
Why do we
It's
have
gonna
to
go.
touch the balloon? I don't think that would work.
It's a racing bull.
Right, so I put that there.
It's a
Sorted.
racing bull in the...
Right.
Come on, the racing bull.
I'm ready. Quick, the balloon, Tyler, the balloon!
I don't think they can knock it out of it.
You think? Oh, we'll give it a try. Right, ready when you are. It's moving.
Ready?
It's gone. The balloon. Ready? Set. Go.
Whoa!
Oh, F1 car.
That's
Yeah.
racing bull.
Racing bull. Cool. Go on then, Tyler. You can pick yours. Gem can fix it with the balloon.
Who should be our first matchup out of these matches?
Bye-bye. I have a winner.
McLaren versus skateboard.
McLaren.
Oh, I'm falling over stuff.
Oi, you're breaking it.
No, I'm not. I'm about to get back to you.
Ah.
What happened to the chair?
You got it. You got it.
3, 2,
Get the balloon ready.
One.
Gem. The skateboard.
What a clutch back.
That was close. Gem. Who are we going for?
Pizza.
We got to fix it again, haven't we? What's going on with this thing? There we go. Dun,
There's the eliminated zone. That's where my eliminated
That's
zone.
the eliminated zone.
Ready?
And McLaren.
I'm not ready. Where you going, Tyler?
Hey, I want to race them. Let me race them.
Ready?
Alright.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
This side's always winning.
Is it?
Yeah. That one won.
That was a cool winner.
I like that one.
Ah, my finish line.
I think it's one rated on these.
Right, there we go. There we go. Now we fixed it.
No.
Alright. Tyler. Who are we going for, Tyler?
No, McLaren versus this really cool car.
That's a cop car.
3, 2.
Oh, what the cop car? Yeah.
Oh man, McLaren. I really wanted them.
I know, right? Ah, crashed twice. There's your winner, Tyler. Uh-oh. It's Gem. Here we go. Your sleeves are massive, I can't see. What is that thing? It's like a skeletal. Alright, ready when you are. Oh yeah. And a rally car.
It's
Colin McRae.
Thunderous.
Thunderorus.
Hey, let me race them.
It's gonna race them.
2 flips.
Ready when you are. Set. Go. Oh, that was close.
He lost.
He did lose.
He won.
Thunderorus.
I'm gonna jump over.
Oh my god, this is where the truck goes bananas. Go. Ready. Set. Jump. Oh, jeez and crackers. Alright. Oh, my Tootsie!
Brickatoon versus Toaster.
Breakatoon and Toaster.
3, 2.
win.
Isn't this his first video?
Yeah, sure. I think it is.
Oh my gosh.
Toaster!
It was so close. If he didn't get his wheels trapped there, he would have won.
Oh, that was close. Right, here we go.
Mr. Bean.
Mr. Bean car. And the truck. Alright then, go for it.
No, the Liberty Walk. I'm going to race that for all the way back here.
I'm calling him Mr. Bean.
Alright, but...
I'm going to run with my
Move that hand, I cannot see!
I'm going to run with the balloon.
Uh-oh.
3,
Uh-oh.
2.
Hold on, the fingers are everywhere. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, Mr. Bean came from behind! Hi, Theodore.
Oh, you're doing it now.
You gonna race him, Theodore?
Gonna get your cars?
Alright, come on then, Tyler. Who are you going for?
Right, what cars do you want? Grab one.
Let's see. Whose F1 car will win? Actually, that'll be last.
Yeah. Who going for?
That'll be intense. So hard. I think this one. This is.
Oh yeah, we've got Diddy Donut.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, just Diddy Donut.
Toilet roll.
Got toilet Hot Wheel.
Speed up quickly.
I think Diddy Donut was lucky
What the-
because.
what's
this
going on
one
over here?
had a lot.
What are you doing?
Is the
Oh, he's won a race before.
Oh yeah!
4, 8. Oh. Quickly.
Yeah.
What's happening?
Aww.
Yeah. Oh.
2 more rows. Do you want me to quickly do
Wait. Okay.
I know what to.
Why are we adding another race stuff?
Fredo wants to. Remember?
Okay.
Quickly.
Which one's we going for?
How are we going to set this out now?
5 more.
That's alright, you can race this. No biggie. Alright. Is this your Hot Wheels?
Dog. Sausage. Dog.
Hot diggity dog. We got Batman!
Did I ride the break wheel? No. Whoa!
Oh, golden Batman. Didn't know you had golden Batman, Theodore. That's it. That's it, Theodore. That's 16. Let's go, buddy. Ready? You gonna race it or you gonna... Yeah.
I'm running with the balls.
Right, ready?
I need to take that.
What are you doing? You can't sleep there. Right, let's go.
Help me. Help me.
Jem, is it your turn or Theodore's turn?
Theodore's.
Theodore's turn. Theodore, come pick 2.
Grab all your cars.
I want a monster truck.
You can't do monster trucks, they don't fit.
It kind of breaks the track.
Yeah.
But we'll do them another one. Alright.
Go Theodore.
But not the track.
I'm doing a new one.
Yeah.
Which is
You need to pick 2.
Golden Batman.
the Batman piece. It's the Batman piece.
You ready, Theodore?
I'm gonna drink my way.
You gotta go through here. This side. This side.
Why is he missing some? Oh yeah.
Ready, Theodore?
Huh?
Okay.
Yeah, pop him here. Up the top. It's the Batman race.
Theodore, did you pick 3?
He's got-
3.
No, look.
Ah!
1.
He was fast though.
Theodore, you're missing one.
Do you want me to hold him, Theodore? And you race him?
I'm gonna add this one for you.
Okay, go, Theodore. Ready?
Who's the winner?
No, grab the other Batman.
No, not.
Ready?
No,
Ready, gonna race him, Theodore? On your marks.
No, Tyler.
Get set. Go. Oh, Batman!
I'm in. Which Batman?
This Batman.
Which one? That one. That one lost.
Yeah, that one
And
lost.
then with the other one.
Alright, Jem.
Come in there. because he lost.
Jam Jam!
He goes next.
Yeah. Theodore,
Here we go.
No.
Batman.
Theodore, I'm going first.
Theodore, let Tyler run now.
What you doing to the track? Right, ready, Jam Jam?
Ready, Sin.
What are these ones? Oh yeah. It's a scorpion one. Number 99.
Number 9.
Right, ready when you are. Your marks. Get set. Go.
Ow!
Oh, careful, guys. Oh, I dropped it. Here you go.
Tyler, your turn.
Your turn, Tyler. Are you going to race it, Theodore? What are we going for, Tyler? The F1 cars? No. Those two. Alright.
These
Ready?
two guys have really soft wheels.
Yeah.
We're good.
Ready? Go.
3,
Oh, we're doing 3. 3.
2, 1.
Gold! Yeah! That was cool. Theodore!
Theodore.
Your turn.
Whoa, it's like a little dip.
It is a little dip.
Not this one.
Not Batman. Who are you going for?
He's in the next one. He's in the
Those two.
semi.
Yeah? Those two race him?
That means I get a look on that.
I'm going to go behind you.
No, Tyler.
Are you going to race it?
Me first to race. I'm running there against them.
Wait. I'm coming behind.
Can you put your hand behind because I'm going to need 3.
Right, ready?
No, 3.
I'm ready. I can't do 3. I've only got those fingers. Ready? On your marks. Get set. Go! Wow! What are you guys doing? It's this one. Theodore, your winner.
You want me? Yeah!
Oh, I dropped him.
Uh-oh.
Your winner, Theodore.
Where's the other one? Pin.
Jam Jam. Who are you going for, Jam Jam?
In the back.
Okay, alright.
Does engine move?
That's quite cool. I like that. Let's go.
Why so does this one?
We've got Theodore racing in this time. Are you going to race this time, Jam?
I'm ready.
On your marks. Get set. Go! Ah! What happened?
He did a triple flip.
Theodore! You guys are crazy.
Who won?
This guy.
That guy.
Okay, give me
I
that.
need help.
What are you doing, Theodore?
I need help.
Yeah.
I need help.
Alright.
I need
Jam Jam.
help.
Quick, ready for the next race, Theodore?
Not less.
It's your turn then, Tyler.
Physics.
Wait, am I on this side? Got to move. I've got to move.
This engine moves, so it's going to be another engine mover.
Okay. Do you want me to hold it, or do you want to go? You want to race? You can do it? Okay. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah, green for the win! The winner! Ah! Who's next? Who's next? Who's next? It's Theodore. Theodore turn.
Theodore's turn. Theodore's turn. Sounds like the ice cream man. Theodore's turn.
Toilet.
Ew.
And diddy dog. Oh no, it's hot diggity dog. Are you racing?
me to race. I'm racing on this side. No, I'm racing on this.
Alright, we're ready.
I'm so far back.
Are we steady? Go! What the? Oh no, you're gonna have to go again.
Toilet.
It didn't go far enough. We'll try it again.
No.
Didn't work, did it?
Ow!
Three marks.
Beeping.
Get set, go!
We just passed.
Toilet!
Open!
My hot diggity dog!
Open!
Yeah.
Watch this.
What?
Oh, missed.
Oh, my snaps. Alright, Theodore. Wait, whose turn is it now?
Me.
Jam!
Oh, look at these ones.
Theodore.
We need a next.
Let's hunt the winner.
Toilet one. What is that?
Cupcake.
Cup of the cake?
Cup of the cake.
It's a cup of the cake. Alright, here we go
And
then.
a ball.
Hey, wait for me.
Cool.
I'm going to try to score a hoop. I'm going to try get the ball
It
in the
doesn't
basket
fit, look.
in there
Okay, go for
It
it.
doesn't fit.
while I'm jumping.
Go on, I'm waiting.
Not
It
yet.
doesn't fit.
Oh,
Look. It doesn't fit.
Who doesn't fit?
This guy.
You sure?
Yeah.
He's just going to have to take both lanes.
Yes.
Ready, set, go! Oh no! It's a crash! It didn't work! Jam jam! Oh no! No! Oh no! Tyler, your turn.
I scored.
You scored.
Let me out.
Huh? No, you got to stay in there. But...
Mommy, can I have a cookie?
Okay.
No,
That'll be your third cookie today.
Right, I'm watching.
It's a big bag.
3.
Yellow! That was a good race, Tyler.
Scored.
Did I score? Did I score?
Cool. Who's next? Theodore!
Rosie. Do both garlic breads.
Go for it. Those two.
Go for it.
3.
I can't do 3. Right, are we ready?
Hey, I need the balloon back.
I've got them, Theodore.
10
Got-
minutes.
Oh, ready?
Hey, wait for me. I need to race.
Steady. Go! What the?
I don't need
The track, there's too much.
How about you do a play?
Oh yeah, it's like that, is it?
Imagine all the racing balls pass. We've got one racing ball pass.
Yeah.
The racing ball's going to be racing right now.
Oh my gosh.
Will
Right.
it score?
Tyler, let's get all the cars off the track. Go for it. Fast one now. Yeah? Should we do all the final ones straight away? See how far they can go?
Hey guys.
Theodore, do you do yours as well?
Can I
Dude.
do mine?
Here's your cars.
My last round. I don't. Which one's the losers?
The William.
All of them. This is the racing ball going down the
Right, I'm ready.
All 3, 2, 1.
Yeah! Williams. Jump, quick. We've got to do it.
McLaren, Mustard, Daddy are all loser.
Yeah.
We have one loser if one can.
Quick, we need the last ones to go. Theodore, get yours going. Go, do all of them. Go. Go.
All is racing.
Go on then. I'm watching.
Oh, he destroyed the last person.
Uh-oh, Theodore's going to go crazy.
Fiddle. You ready, bro?
Tyler, the track. Ah! That's a cool one. Tyler, the track. It's fallen, Tyler.
He said it was too much.
Hold the track up for him, bud. Hold the track up. Whee!
Hello.
Whee!
All your last ones. Until
Quick,
the
get your last ones out the way, Jum. Hold the track up for everyone.
toaster made it. Hey, can I just
Uh-oh.
Daddy does not.
Uh-oh.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh, he's just stuck there.
Guys, it's time for one of my guys. I'm going to do
Eliminated.
Go, come on, guys.
Oh no!
It's broken.
They broke the track. You got to hold it up, Jem. All right, ready? Are we steady? Let's make this one of the final races.
No, I'm
Do it quickly then.
Go.
Woo! Go, more.
See this?
Who won?
Green.
Wait, look.
Wah!
Yay.
Yay! Keep them coming.
The McLaren is going up.
Whoa!
The McLaren lost.
Wow! They're so fast all of a sudden. Hi, Tyler.
The McLaren lost.
Ah!
The McLaren lost all the races. My last ones.
Theodore, you can do your last ones. You done them? You done it? I'm ready, Theodore. Ah! Right, should we start saying goodbye in a minute? It's not finished yet. How many more you got?
3 more rounds.
Hurry.
Toaster and raisin
I can
roll
smell
my
garlic
laser.
bread. Poor toaster.
Come on, quickly. Don't.
We got to get the garlic bread.
Leave them.
Hey guys, see this.
Well, oh,
This
what
is
are you
our
doing,
champion.
Theodore?
Wait,
You
no.
absolute nana.
I can't do that.
Whoa, the green. Next.
Green one's our champion.
Green's the champion. Yeah. He's the fastest Hot Wheel.
In the world.
He's going to have his own free ride.
Yeah. Oh, smashed it. Cool. Let's go say goodbye to all the kids then.
Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. And watch all of our other videos.
All right. Bye.